In today's video, I'll show you how to enable or disable Dolby Atmos on your Tecno Camon 50 Pro or 50 Ultra. So simply go into settings and then scroll down and find sound and vibration. Tap on that, and then under sound and vibration you want to scroll down until you find Dolby Atmos. So tap on that. Now as you can see, it's currently grayed out, and this is because I've not connected to any headphones or sound listening device. Now for you to be able to have this option active, you have to connect to headphones either via the 3.5mm headphone jack or connect via Bluetooth. So I'll connect to my headphones.
Connected.
And now once I connect to my headphones and go back to Dolby Atmos, it's now going to be active. Now to disable Dolby Atmos and to enable to disable Dolby Atmos, simply tap on that toggle to turn it off like that, or to enable it, simply tap on that toggle once again to enable it like that. All this you have to do while you're connected to your headphones. Now once these options are active, you can select any of these options. You can select sounds for environments, connect headphones before use, and you can select different sounds for environments, the environments that you're in, or sounds for scenarios, whether it's movies, games, music, and or intelligent for it to detect automatically. But that's basically how to enable or how to disable Dolby Atmos on your Tecno Camon 50 Pro or 50 Ultra. Hope this was useful. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Take care and God bless.